Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. This video is specific for beginners in print-on-demand business because I would like to talk about something a little bit confusing for a lot of newbies in print-on-demand business, which is some words or some terms you have to know while working on print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, Etsy, Teespring, Spreadshirt, and etc. Like, what's the difference between niche, sub-niche, and cross-niche? Or what's the difference between long tail keyword and short tail keyword? So now let's begin with the first word, which is niche. What's the meaning of niche? Niche means the general topic or the general field or an area of interest that you have to focus on, or an area of expertise or an area of passion you have to focus on to produce high quality content. For example, if you are working in the niche of gardening, so you can make an ebook about how to grow your vegetables and so on and so forth. And regarding of the print-on-demand business, so you can be focused on a niche or general topic like swimming, cats, dogs, Christmas, and so on. And for sure, niche or the general topic or the general field has high competition and very crowded topic. So apparently, if you search in Redbubble or Teespring about any keyword general topic like swimming, for example, so you will find hundreds of thousands of results, which means hundreds of thousands of designs that compete for that general niche or that general topic or field. And now let's move on to the next word, which is sub-niche. Sub-niche is derived from the general niche or the general topic, or it is a narrower niche within the general topic or the general field. So you can niche down or break down the general topic into a lot of categories or subcategories or micro niches or sub niches. For example, the dog niche is a big and huge niche. It's a general topic of dogs. So you can niche down to more categories or dog types like Pyrenees Mountain Dog, Husky, Bulldog, Poodle, and etc. And for sure, using sub-niche is more beneficial for your business because, first of all, you have to segment the big niche or the general topic into many segments so you can reach your customers more effectively. Number two, you can give your product an identity, so it's easier for your customer to spot to your products in the sea of competitors. Number three, you can gain more followers and more fans. For example, in the Facebook page, if this Facebook page is considered for a club like Chelsea or Barcelona or something like that, so you will get more followers or the fans or who are interested in that club or that design or that specific category or that specific sub niche. So regarding the print on demand, so you can make your designs in specific sub niches like some dog types, some cat types, or you can go specific for a specific sport for the ball sport like football or American football, tennis, and so on. Okay, so instead of walking through the high competition niche, so you can niche down to lower competitive sub niches and micro niches. And now let's move on to the cross niche. What's the meaning of cross niche? Cross niche design, which means the designs that contain more than one niche or micro niche in the same design. So you can escape from the high competition and the crowd in all these niches. And here you can use cross niche design to target specific audience and go behind their interests. For example, cross niche design which contains nurses and coffee and book. So you can focus on nurses who love coffee and reading books. So instead of making your designs about nurses, the general niche, so you can niche down by cross niching with other big niches like nurses and the niche of reading and book lovers and coffee niche. So you can target specific customers like nurses who love books and coffee. Okay, you can go through their interests. Okay. And now, what's the difference between the long tail keywords and short tail keywords? You can use these keywords or this terminology in using tags in Redbubble or any print-on-demand platforms. So you have to make variation between these types of tags, long tail keywords and short tail keywords. And short tail keywords, that means your tag which consists of one word or two words at maximum. And here you can target wider audience. For example, swimming is a short tail keyword. Quote, short tail keyword. Funny, short tail keyword. So here you can find a lot and millions of these results that compete for that short tail keyword, like swimming, like motivation, and so on. However, using long tail keywords means long tail keywords consist of more than two words, like funny, motivational, quote. So here you can go specific for narrower audience with less competition. So you can use funny quote for cat lovers or cat lovers sayings and so on and so forth. So here you can target specific audience by using this long tail keywords which has lower competition or less search results. Okay, thus you can type this word if you want to use a less competitive niche or less competitive main keywords that you can use in your main keyword in your title or tags or your descriptions that you want to rank for in your platform. So you have to make some variations between these words in your tags to target the general niche or the general keyword like funny, saying, quote, motivation, for example, inspiration, and so on. And then you can use long tail keywords or more specific words like motivational or inspirational quote for gym. So you can make a spotlight on motivational quote and for specific area, for specific topic, that is gym or work or studying and so on and so forth. So if you are a beginner in print-on-demand business, you have to know these words and this terminology to keep in mind while working on this field, like niche, the general topic, cross niche with the micro niche, the derivative from the big and general topic, and the cross niche design that you can combine two or more niches or micro niches in one design, okay, to be more specific, to target specific audience, and long tail keywords and short tail keywords that you can use also in a lot of different fields like blog business and digital marketing and making advertisement for a lot of products and your items. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.